Select an option to continue. Request letter of recommendation in Navi and Student for a specific college. From the Colleges menu, select Apply to College, and then choose Letters of Recommendation. The Letter of Recommendation requests display. You can see the status of any request, and in order to understand further, click on the information icon to see what the statuses are. Click Add Request. Start with the teacher that you would like to write the recommendation. Use the drop-down and make your selection. If you've already chosen someone, a message will display. Next, if a college doesn't require a letter of recommendation, a notification will display under the college's name. Additionally, the number required, allowed, and requested is also available. Enter a personal note at the bottom to remind the recommender about some of your qualities and any specifics about your request, and then choose Submit Request. You will get a success notification, and you will also be able to see each person you have requested the recommendation from. Deleting a letter of recommendation request in Navi and Student. From the Requests for Letter of Recommendation, use the Cancel Request button, and then confirm the cancel request. A success notification displays. You can close that, and then you've deleted the item.